Good morning, sir. You're Christopher Davis. Mr. Davis, did you get someone hired?
I brought the three pieces of the three attorneys.
Who'd you talk to?
Talked to this the person right here, Crenshaw.
Okay.
I was trying to get a court-appointed attorney.
What other two did you talk to?
Mitchell Woods and Brad Jones Jr.
You actually talked to those people?
Talked to Crenshaw's office, but I couldn't get a hold of him. I mean, he was supposed to call me back, but I thought I was going to get a court-appointed attorney.
Well, when you were here last time, I told you had to work on trying to hire your own lawyer, and you needed to actually speak with 3 lawyers.
Yes, ma'am.
So, where's this Mitchell Woods?
I didn't speak to him. I just spoke to the one, but I thought I was supposed to bring 3 attorneys up here for you.
Right away, you can tell this isn't just a routine check-in. The judge didn't ask for 3 names. She ordered him to actually consult with 3 practicing attorneys. In court, there's a huge difference between appearing to comply and actually following a judge's order. And as you're about to see, she knows this legal community a little too well.
No, it's not just I'm going to write down 3 names. I said go talk to 3 attorneys, at least 3 attorneys, and try to hire them. It's not just I'm going to give you 30 days and you come back and you write down some names, because Mitchell Woods is probably Clint Mitchell Woods, who is a judge down the hall. So you didn't talk to him as a lawyer. Brad Jones has been retired for many, many years, doesn't practice law. So you didn't do what I asked you to do. Hang on. You didn't do what I asked you to do. And so the result of that is I could put you in jail for not following the court order. It's not just a game.
That was a serious warning. Judges have broad authority to enforce their own orders, and ignoring them can have real consequences, including having your bond revoked. The takeaway: court orders aren't suggestions. Do you think the judge was being fair here, or was she coming down too hard? Let us know in the comments.
To go say I did what you told me to, because you didn't. I'm going to reset your case for 30 days. You need to try to hire a lawyer. If you don't hire one, you better start calling this week actual lawyers that practice law and make appointments and visit with them. All right? Because I've been here a long time. I know who the lawyers are around here, so you're not going to get one over me by just writing down some names. Step in front of the clerk and get the reset notice. Good morning, sir. What made you think that was a good shirt to wear to court this morning? That's all you could find? That's all, the only shirt you had in your closet? World's best farter. That's great. No, it says, I can read it. I see what it says at the bottom. You're in felony court. You need to dress appropriately to felony court, and that's not appropriate. Did you get someone hired? I can't hear you. Okay. Okay. Who else you talk to? I can't hear you. Okay. All right. So why didn't you call some others if they didn't call you back? None of them, I don't believe that for a second. None of them answered their phone? Okay. How many others did you call? I can't hear you. That's it. So you called 2 that didn't answer their phone, 1 that didn't call you back, and you didn't think to keep calling and talk to at least 3. You didn't try if you only did that. This isn't that hard. The point isn't, just like you just heard me tell the other guy, the point isn't to play a game and act like you call and write 3 names down. The point is to actually hire someone. And you can't actually hire someone unless you really try. I'm going to reset your case for 30 days. You need to get someone hired, or you need to actually talk to 3 lawyers. And if you have to call 20 to get that done, then call 20. Start this week. Don't wait till the week before court, because they are in court. These are just normal common sense things, right? All right, step in front of the clerk. If you don't do that, the next time your bond will be revoked and you'll go back to jail. Melissa Taylor. Good morning. Are you Melissa Taylor?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you have on your,
Oh, this is my son, Brandon Taylor.
why'd you wear that this morning?
Because he's my entire world and he misses me dearly.
Okay. Ms. Taylor, this is your initial, no, you were here before. Did you get someone hired?
Ma'am?
Did you get someone hired?
No, I have contacted 4 different attorneys. I have the printout paperwork. I got all the information. They're extremely expensive. I've not been able to get the funds gathered for that.
Who'd you talk to?
I spoke to, I have it down
Where?
a month ago.
Where'd you?
Grab it in my phone.
Okay. Did you talk to some more since that last court date?
The last hearings.
Uh-huh.
You asked, you instructed me to get 3 quotes.
Mm-hmm.
That is what I did. And I can get that turned into you after,
Okay. If I test you this morning, you can have anything in your system? Have a seat in the jury box. We're going to text. See, Mr. Rojas, you have Christian Kane.
Competent, but he bonded out. And you told me to set it,
Oh, okay.
but we've never had,
Yeah.
really had that yet.
And was ordered to
Yes, ma'am.
And he brought it out.
Yeah.
Christian Kane. Okay.
You mentioned
Are they here still? Good morning. Are you Christian Kane? So, Mr. Kane, I want to visit real quick before we go forward. We were here when you were in custody and had a doctor visit with you, and I made a finding that there needed to be some treatment for competency restoration, and then you've made bond. And so we've got to make sure that you understand everything. Are you currently under any treatment through Spindletop or any type of psychologist or anything like that?
No.
Okay.
Last I had from my own personal doctor was a Valium, which is a very low barbiturate, which is to help control severe anxiety. It's so low that it's 10 times weaker, I like to say, than clonopin, 10 times weaker than Xanax.
So let me explain something, Mr. Kane. Because we have a doctor's report that says that there needs to be, hold on.
See me, I waited for 2 months.
No, they did see you, and they already made the report, and I ordered that you go.
Why?
Well, because they're the doctors, I don't know. So, I'm sorry. What'd you just say?
My opinion, sorry.
I didn't hear your words.
They made a fool out of her.
That's what I thought I heard. So here's what I'm going to do, Mr. Kane, because I've got to make sure that you're safe, that everyone in the community is safe. And at this time, I'm going to...
Everything is about to change. Up to this point, the hearing has focused on attorneys, dress code, and courtroom compliance. But now we're moving into bond violations, and this is where the stakes become much higher. One positive drug test can undo months of staying out of jail.
revoke your bond and find that you are at large
Victorian
with...
and early graduate.
And so I'm going to, that we already have that order in place for competency restoration. There will be no bond in this case. I'm making that finding based on that report, taking judicial notice of the court's file. You need to go back with the bailiff, sir. Yeah. Ms. Taylor? Ms. Taylor, you tested positive for amphetamines, methamphetamines, and ecstasy. And so at this time, I'm going to find that that is a violation, obviously, of your bond conditions. And I'm going to raise your bond in your case to $100,000. Well, let me look at it real quick. I'm going to, let's see. In one of your cases, you're charged with assault on a peace officer, the other credit or debit card abuse. In each of those cases, I'm raising your bond to $100,000 in each case. If you make the bonds in those cases, you are ordered to wear a drug patch at all time, get it tested at the appropriate times. and then we will move forward with your case.
Can I ask a question, please?
Mm-hmm.
Am I about to be arrested and,
Yes, you're going into custody right now.
okay, I have a child.
You shouldn't be using ecstasy and methamphetamine. If you have a child, you can go back with the bailiff.
So I.
Go back with the
have
bailiff
not.
right now. Go back with the bailiff. Go with the bailiff.
My child is missing and he's with a terrible person. He's the only thing that.
Ms. Holmes, you have a Ramiro Reyes. I showed that. No, you don't. Just testing you. You have Nakia Brandon. Good morning. You're Nakia Brandon? Mr. Brandon, I'm going to have you tested this morning. Do you have your drug patch on now?
Yes, no, but it was opened up, but I tried to keep it on.
Okay, so you're having issues that we've gotten emails that there have been some other issues. People wear drug patches all the time without having issues. So you gotta figure out how, she said they showed you how to wrap it correctly and all of that. Have a seat in the jury box. We're gonna get you tested this morning and make sure that there's nothing in your system. Then we'll get an announcement. All right, you tested negative, let's see, Mr. Smith, sorry. You tested negative, which is obviously good. You need to continue testing negative, but you've got to figure out how to make sure that drug patch is on properly at all times so it's testable, okay? And are y'all ready to make an announcement today, or do you need a little more time?
We need a little bit more time.
All right, any issues other than that, Mr. Smith? So I'm just gonna do a normal reset, Mr. Brandon. It's about 30 days. Make sure you call, visit with Ms. Holmes before your next court date so we can get an announcement, okay? You're free to go.
Mr. Cucci emailed and said he'll be here about 10:30.
Ms. Vogan, Crystal Vogan,